Hey, what's up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in. How's everyone doing? Hope everything is well on your side of the world. Wanted to crack this one open real quick and just to have a chat here in South Texas. It's been alright. So a lot of people are being quarantined, and we have a lot of cases coming up, but nothing too severe like other cities. More on the East Coast and the West Coast, but we haven't felt it yet, so we're waiting on it. So yeah, I wanted to open up this Young Lightning 50 years just to, keep our minds moving. Here it says celebrating the tradition of bitter brews, sweet rides, and fresh wax. Diecast metal body and chassis. Limited edition, 1 out of 4,000. It's not literally the number one of the 4,000, it's just a number. There it the muzzle effects. Pause it and check it out. And it is in a Sunoco blue and yellow. Very beautiful. Version A. Very cool. There is the 1962 Chevy Covair. So let's check it out. So yeah, we haven't had so many cases like other states, but yeah, it's still something concerning, and it bums us out because we can't go nowhere and can't hang out with our families and get the kids out to the parks much, or activities. Everyone's going crazy. The hood doesn't open. No. I like this blue. This is very cool. Sunoco blue. It's a very, very cool tempo. I like the rims. That's one of the reasons why I got this vehicle, because of the style of it. Looks very cool. There's a 32. I love those racing stripes. The blue and the yellow go very, very well together. And more tempos. So this is a racing car. There's the chassis. But yeah, like here in the neighborhood, I think we have one case, and in the around the area there's like 7 in this other neighborhood that is like 2 minutes away from here. So I mean, yeah, we've seen this pandemic hit us, but not like I said, like New York and other cities, But yeah, I mean, we're keeping our spirits high, trying to, but we're right in the middle of everything, so we still got a long way to go. Well, I hope everyone is still keeping their heads up and keeping a positive attitude, no matter the situation. We will survive as a human race, and I wish everyone the best. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep the hobby alive, man. So anyone out there that makes videos, just keep posting, and people will watch and keep the hobby going. So I hope you guys enjoyed your day, enjoying your time with your family. Hope it's not a big ordeal. I hope no one is getting into any disputes in the family. Don't burn those bridges, people. And yeah, stay up. All right. Have a good one. Peace. Be safe. Bye.